NCNA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And this is what we call a crazy little pump, a squeeze. NuCana just absolutely, now it's 90% up. At some point of the day, it was a lot higher. You know, it was at 18 cents, now it's 14. And what happened was the complete opposite of what I expected. So the previous trade that I took, you know, was a sell side, which break-evens got hit. And then I was like, if there is a sort of double break, there's nothing stopping me from doubling down even more. I got the first break, never got the chance for the second, and this thing just absolutely pumped. It's crazy. And needless to say, I'm not just going to immediately just jump in on this bandwagon, in which, I mean, this would have been nice, you know, to make just this amount of money. But if there's no sort of confirmation, you know, last thing that I'm going to do is buy, because I do think there's some juice into this. So I'm saying Wednesday, if there is some sort of a confirmation, then yeah, there's nothing standing me in the way to just capitalize on at least this moment here. And this is how I made also like a lot of my money trading. Why? Because maybe I've tested it for 5 years, maybe. Like, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from on trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.